I should be over all the butterflies.
Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I have not put a wig on in so daggone long. Like, I've just been rocking my natural hair, and today I decided, let me go ahead and put a wig on. I'm starting late, that's why the lighting is going to be like different, because I'm using sunlight, natural sunlight, and it's later in the day, so sun's about to go down. So yeah, so I'm sorry in advance for that, but let's just get into the details about this wig. So this is a curly 13x4 lace frontal wig from Hermosa. Whoa, I don't know what accent that was. From Hermosa hair company. This is 24 inches, 220% density. This wig is very thick. I would suggest using product on this hair. The hair feels soft, but it's very easy to get this hair frizzy. I've just been running my hands through it, and it is getting bigger the more that I do that. So definitely using product to really define these curls and just keep them intact, I think would really help this unit. This did come with baby hairs, and when it came with baby hairs, it was like a strip of like an afro across the front of this wig. So I had to do a lot of plucking, and I would, in my opinion, I would go without the baby hairs, just because it's like two different textures and it was a lot going on. So I definitely took care of that by plucking. So it's fixable, but if you can go without it, go without it. So I did my normal prep outside of plucking this. I put my contour powder on the lace just to blend it with my skin tone. I used my concealer in the parting space because y'all know I don't like plucking my parting space. It's just why do it if you don't have to do it. Other than that, I didn't really have to do anything. It came with adjustable straps. It came with an elastic band. The wig is super snug on my head when I took advantage of those things. The hair is just really, really pretty. One thing that I do want to mention is the hair definitely came more on like the black, like 1B side than like closer to brown. It's closer to black than it is brown, okay? And it's something that caught my eye, so I thought I would mention that. But yeah, that's really about all that I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.